Technology powers everything behind the scenes. Welcome to Nozare Tech Expose, your destination for the latest in technology and innovation. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 drone manufacturing companies globally based on market share, technological innovation, product range, and industry influence. In the number 5 spot, we have a rising force in drone technology, Autel Robotics. Founded in 2014, Autel Robotics entered the drone market with a clear goal to challenge the norm and build drones that combine cutting-edge imaging, intelligent flight systems, and maximum user control. And in just a few short years, it's made serious waves, especially with its standout product line, the Evo series. As privacy concerns and regulatory scrutiny reshape the drone industry, Autel is seizing its moment, offering reliability, freedom, and serious performance. Autel Robotics isn't just a backup plan, it's becoming the first choice for a new generation of drone users. Headquartered in Shenzhen, China, with a significant footprint in the United States, Autel walks a fine line between East and West, making it one of the few major players trusted by both individual creators and institutions needing an alternative to DJI. As privacy concerns and regulatory scrutiny reshape the drone industry, Autel is seizing its moment, offering reliability, freedom, and serious performance. Autel Robotics isn't just a backup plan, it's becoming the first choice for a new generation of drone users. At number 4, meet Aerovironment, the Californian pioneer that's been shrinking aircraft since 1971. While hobby pilots chase sunsets, Aerovironment's engineers build eyes in the sky for soldiers on the ground. Its hand-launched Raven and Puma drones give platoons instant aerial views, flying quietly for 2 hours and streaming encrypted video straight to a wrist display. Equipped with high-resolution electro-optical and infrared gimbals, they feed commanders thermal imagery day or night, but the headline act is the Switchblade loitering munition. The newer Switchblade 600 carries a precision warhead more than 40 kilometers, then waits like a silent hawk before diving on target. In February 2025, the U.S. Army ordered hundreds more under a 5-year contract worth up to $990 million, proof that Aerovironment's tech is now as essential as body armor. From Ukraine to Indo-Pacific exercises, these backpack-launched systems deploy in minutes, no runway required. As disasters strike, the same airframes scout hurricane damage and locate survivors, showing that defense can also mean defense of life. Small drones, big impact, Aerovironment helping troops and first responders proceed with certainty. Number 3 is Skydio, the Silicon Valley company teaching drones to fly themselves. Born in a garage in 2014, Skydio rewrote the rulebook with AI vision. Its new flagship, the Skydio X10, is the first drone to embed a Teledyne FLIR boson plus thermal core, fusing crystal-clear heat maps with 4,000 color video. The X10 zips through 360-degree obstacle avoidance at 30 meters per second, guided by 6 4,000 navigation cameras and 500 billion operations per second of onboard compute. No GPS, no pilot panic. January 2025 release notes unlocked remote ops, letting a firefighter in Los Angeles launch a unit parked on a distant rooftop dock. With an IP55 body and batteries hot swappable in 10 seconds, crews keep it airborne for hours during disaster response. Skydio Dock 2 houses the drone in a weather-sealed nest, ready to fly at the tap of an app collecting data while humans stay safe on the ground. From bridge bolts to wildfire flare-ups, nothing hides from Skydio's neural network eyes. When autonomy is the brief and seconds matter, Skydio turns every user into a master pilot and every mission into actionable insight. At number 2, we fly to Paris, home of Parrot, Europe's original drone visionary. The latest on Afi AI is the world's first 4G-connected UAV, streaming HD video beyond visual line of sight with carrier-grade security. Its biomimetic folding wings and 48-megapixel HDR camera tilt a full 180 degrees, letting inspectors peek under bridges without daring maneuvers. Need US-made hardware? Meet Afi USA, built in Massachusetts with 30 to lossless zoom and twin 21-megapixel sensors that can read a license plate from 5 kilometers away. Open-source SDKs and a ROS-compatible autopilot invite developers to bolt on custom AI crop scouts, methane sniffers, you name it. In 2025, Parrot launched Parrot Cloud, a zero-trust platform that encrypts footage before it ever hits the internet. And its Q1 2025 earnings show the pivot to commercial and defense markets is paying off despite a sluggish consumer sector. Whether mapping Roman ruins or broadcasting live sports, Parrot's drones fly lighter, quieter, and longer, up to 32 minutes on one smart battery. French design, open data, total freedom, Parrot proves small can indeed be smarter. And finally, number 1, DJI, the Shenzhen powerhouse that turned drone into a verb. On May 13, 2025, DJI unveiled the Mavic 4 Pro, a folding marvel sporting a 100-megapixel 4.3-inch Hasselblad sensor, dual tele lenses, and a monumental 51-minute flight time, the longest in its class. Reviewers call it a Hasselblad with wings, capturing 6K 60fps video and spinning its gimbal a full 360 degrees for true vertical shots. A new OcuSync 4.5 link streams 4,000 live video 8 kilometers with near zero latency, while 10 direction sensors build a live 3D map inside the DJI Fly app. Enterprise users haven't been left behind. The Matras 350 RTAK and Agras T60 now inspect towers and treat 70 acres of crops per hour. DJI still commands about 70% of the global drone market, dwarfing every rival. And the June 10th teaser hints at another enterprise craft, this time with LiDAR on chip, proof that DJI's innovation cycle never lands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update.